Today we're going to talk about STP'S Grand Champion buck, starting from scratch. No dog raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. The truth about STP'S Grand Champion buck dogs. These dogs were some of the best of the Patrick dogs, in my humble opinion. Buck's best breedings were made with Red Boy Jocko females. This cross produced many great dogs. This family of dogs were known for their unique abilities. There's one particular buck dog I want to talk about, and that is Moody's Halle for a little bit. A great looking dog. I was fortunate enough to take this picture of her about a month before she passed. She was on the yard of a good friend of mine and fellow dog man, T. Banks. Let's see how Halle is bred. Halle was sired by Maine's Buckeye, bred to Banks and Harris's Goldie. Buckeye was sired by Gasson's Bull Boy, bred to Untouchable's Roxy. Goldie was sired by Maiden's Buster, bred to Maiden's Maybuck. I had a chance to buy a Maybuck, or something like that. I regret doing it now. I should have got that dog. But let's get back to this right here. Maybuck and Roxy are double-bred Untouchable's Jim, who was a great dog, down from the Tiverton's stuff. Halle was a great representative of the buck line of dogs. Moody's Halle, great dog and producer. Stay tuned, starting from scratch.